For replacing the windshield spray lines, you will need to remove the spray nozzles, red arrows, the rubber line cover, blue arrow, and the washer line clip, green arrow. Use a trim removal tool to peel back the spray nozzles and release them from their mounting. Use a trim removal tool to release the rubber line cover. Again, using a trim removal tool, and unclip the washer line clip. This is the point where the washer line feeds from the hood to the tank and usually breaks, red arrow. Disconnect the lines from the spray nozzles by lifting back on the clip indicated by the red arrow. Tie a long section of string to each of the hose lines that connect to the nozzles, red arrows. You will use this to help with feeding back the hose lines that run through the hood during installation. Pull out the hose lines through the rubber line cover, red arrow. Be sure to have enough slack on the string hanging out of both ends as to not lose your means of feeding the hoses back through the hood. Pull out the remaining section of hose that feeds to the reservoir under the edge of the hood. Once the hose is fully removed from the hood, we recommend tying down the ends of your string if you're not going to be working on the installation immediately. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.